6 tabs. Count them right now. I looked into why most new affiliate marketers flame out before month 3, and it's not laziness. It's that quiet momentum bleed happening every time you bounce between half-finished courses and you don't even notice it's eating you alive. I went down a rabbit hole on this. Why so many new affiliate marketers quit before they ever get traction. And what I found surprised me because the real problem isn't what anyone thinks it is. There's a Reddit thread where someone posted, and I'm paraphrasing, my biggest problem is the staying motivated part. I work from home, but I just can't seem to push through. The replies were all the usual stuff. Wake up earlier, make a schedule. Discipline equals freedom. You've heard it, I've heard it. But none of that advice addresses what's actually happening. Think about your screen right now, or what it looked like this morning. How many tabs were open? How many courses were you halfway through? How many strategies were you going to get back to? More? Every single one of those open tabs represents an unfinished decision. Not an unfinished task, an unfinished decision. And that distinction matters more than you think. According to Psychology Today, people who are intrinsically motivated cope significantly better when working from home. But here's what that research doesn't spell out. Intrinsic motivation gets destroyed when your brain is carrying around a dozen open decisions at the same time. Each one is a tiny weight. Should I finish that SEO course or switch to the paid ads training? Should I build the funnel on this platform or that one? Should I try TikTok or stick with YouTube? None of these are hard questions individually, but stack 10 of them on top of each other and by noon you feel completely exhausted without having done a single thing that could actually earn you a commission. You sat down at 9, you worked for 3 hours, you made $0. All that energy went into deciding instead of doing. That quiet drain, that's what's killing your work from home motivation. Not laziness, not a lack of discipline, decision fatigue from 100 half-started paths going nowhere. Now here's where it gets interesting, because the fix is almost stupidly simple. 1 tab. That's it. I keep seeing this pattern in every success story I come across. The people who actually break through in affiliate marketing, the ones who eventually negotiate higher commission rates, the ones who land that brand partnership that changes everything, they all did the same thing. They picked 1 course, 1 strategy, 1 traffic method, and they finished it before they touched anything else. There's a popular affiliate marketing tutorial that's been circulating over 1 million views, and the creator says something that stuck with me. The biggest affiliate marketing mistake is not starting or giving up way too early. Then he follows it with this: be patient, be persistent, be consistent, and be disciplined. Sounds generic on the surface, but look at what he's really saying. Consistent with 1 thing. Disciplined about 1 path. Not consistent across 7 platforms and disciplined about checking all of them every morning. 1 funnel, 1 traffic source, 1 offer. Finish it, get it live, see if it earns. Then and only then, move to the next thing. Because 1 completed funnel that's actually out there earning commissions, even small ones, beats 5 half-built funnels sitting in your drafts, earning absolutely nothing. That first dollar matters more than your 10th course. But here's where most people get stuck, and nobody talks about this part. The real momentum killer isn't a learning gap. It's setup friction. Those are 2 completely different problems. Think about it. You sign up for a course, you're excited, you watch the first few modules, you're taking notes, you're fired up. Then module 7 says, now go set up your email autoresponder, connect it to your landing page builder, configure your domain DNS settings, and integrate your payment processor. Suddenly, you're spending the next 2 weeks watching YouTube tutorials on how to point a CNAME record. That fire you had? Gone. You didn't lose motivation. You hit a wall of tech setup that has nothing to do with the actual skill of marketing. Forbes reports that roughly 35 million Americans are working remotely, about 22% of the workforce. And Louisiana State University research found that remote work productivity varies dramatically based on your actual setup, your environment, your tools, your systems. The infrastructure matters. So if you're spending weeks just trying to get the technology configured before you can promote anything, the system is wrong for you. You're not wrong for the system. That's a critical difference. You don't need more motivation. You don't need another productivity hack. You need the friction removed so your energy goes into the one thing that generates income, getting your offer in front of people. Stop blaming yourself for losing steam when the real problem is you're a hand building a race car before you've driven around the block. By the way, if you want to see what it looks like when all that setup friction is just gone, I have a free masterclass which includes the funnel, the tech, the follow-up already built and waiting. Check out the turnkey residual income system at homebizsimple.com. It pays 80% commissions starting from your very first customer. A done-for-you sales system handles the selling for you. The link's in the description below. Okay? Okay.